Hello everyone, and welcome to Power Pages Tips. My name is Nicholas Hayduk, and this is tip number 367, Debugging Server Logic. In our last tip, I talked about the various special objects available to us in our server logic JavaScript code. In this tip, I look at how we can debug our server logic JavaScript code. Before we dive into the details, don't forget to subscribe to the Engineered Code YouTube channel for our weekly tips, monthly community calls, and lots of other Power Pages and Power Platform content. We're going to look at two techniques. First, the server.logger object has functions that allow you to write diagnostic messages that can be viewed with the Power Pages DevTools extension for Edge that we talked about in tip 288. Writing these messages is the best way to find out what is going on when your code is running on the Power Pages server. You can also run the server logic code locally on your machine within VS Code for Desktop with the Power Platform Tools extension. Open the server logic JavaScript file and paste the method name that you want to test at the end of the file. Then use the debug or run buttons that appear at the top of the file. You can set breakpoints or step through the code. However, this debugging technique does not connect to Dataverse. So any of these server logic objects that connect to Dataverse, like the Dataverse object, website, site setting, and user, need to be mocked using a special JavaScript file. We'll look at that in our next tip. The one special object that does work is HTTP client, so you can test calls to external APIs using this technique. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found the Power Pages tip number 367 on debugging server logic useful.